Cell membrane is the outer boundary of the cell and controls what enters and exits the cell. Cytoplasm is like a jelly-like substance in which all of the cell organs are suspended. Nucleus contains DNA and it is considered to be in the center of the cell. The nuclear membrane surrounds the nucleus. It controls what enters and what exits the nucleus. Nucleolus is located inside the nucleus and produce ribosomes, and the function is produce ribosomes. The rough ER is where proteins are made and are transported to Golgi body. Smooth ER produces lipids and breaks down toxic. And the ribosomes produce proteins. The Golgi body transfers substrates to the other organs and outside of the cell. Mitochondria are called powerhouse of the cells. This is where the cellular respiration takes place and energy is made. The vacuole is a sac which stores substrates such as water, salt, and protein. The lysosome contains digestive chemicals which breaks down any dead organs and waste inside the cell. And this completes the animal cell. And now let's compare the plant cell to the animal cell. A cell membrane is a thin layer of protein and fat that surrounds the cell, but it is in the inside of the cell wall. The cell wall has a rigid outer covering. A typical cell plant composed mainly of cellulose and lying outside of the cell membrane. Vacuoles are storage bubbles found in cells. They are found in animal cells and plant cells, but much bigger in the plant cell. All plant cells contain a nucleus, a structured plant storage DNA, and acts a cell command center. The nucleolus makes ribosomes. Chloroplast is when work to convert light energy of the sun into sugars that can be used from cells. Mitochondria is called powerhouses. The Golgi body gathers simple molecules and combines them to make a molecule that are more complex. Ribosomes produce proteins. The smoothier is to make products such as lipids. Roughly are assembly of many proteins. Cytoplasm is the jelly material that makes up the cell inside. In a plant cell has a Golgi body and others, but animal cell has chloroplast. A cell wall is bacterial cell lacks a membrane-bound nucleus. DNA is a nucleus because a prokaryotic cell does not have a nucleus, and the ribosomes are flat-free, plus they are found in many places in the cell. The cytoplasm in the prokaryotic cell is a gel-like yet filled substance which all of the other cellular components are suspended.